of this one. Hi, maganda.
Hi, maganda. Hi, maganda.
Ay, say,
Hi, badanga.
Guwapo ako. Say, guwapo ako.
Guwapo ako.
Say,
Balik ka rin!
what? Say, mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Ang Pilipinas.
Ay, no.
Ang Pilipinas.
Ang Pilipinas.
Oh. Because you're a Filipino.
Yeah.
Say, what do you want me to say? Beat you.
What do you want me to say?
No, making purple rag.
What words do they want
Oh.
in Filipino?
What do you, teach me? Oh.
Brown clown?
Ryan.
Yeah, run clown.
Brown clown?
Yeah.
The Filipino clown is clown.
Clown? That's it?
The same.
Oh. Continue. Continue.
Continue, pagpatuloy.
Pagpatuloy. Pagpatuloy.
Pag,
Ipag.
pa,
Pag.
tuloy.
Tuloy.
That's continue.
Oh my gosh, that's so hard. Ipagtuloy. I almost have it.
Yeah, ipag, pa, tuloy.
Ipagtuloy. Ipagtuloy?
No, that's wrong.
Oh, how do you say peace?
Peace,
Yeah.
kapayapaan.
Kampayatan.
Kampayapa.
Kapa,
Kapa.
ya,
Yeah.
pa,
Pa.
an.
Oh shoot.
That's it.
Say it all together. Kapayapa.
Kapayapaan. We have a song, kapayapaan.
There you go.
When I was in,
You can speak fluently?
oh yeah.
Okay, say... You don't have it. How was your day? Mine was
Kamusta ang
terrible.
araw mo? Ang aking araw hindi
Are there any
maganda.
rocks here?
Oh my gosh!
Kamusta ang araw mo? Yung araw ko hindi maganda.
Oh, mine's been good.
Oh yeah. You're Filipino, so you don't know how to speak Filipino.
I know.
I know.
I'm trying. Maybe I take lessons over the summer.
You should go to the Philippines. You could speak.
We really just like pick it up, like if we go to the Philippines fucking.
Ryan.
Yeah, like pictures of where you live or something.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, it's me. Hello.
It's funny.
Oh!
You're gonna make
Whoa.
it. You're
Yeah.
gonna make it.
Our driver. Woo.
The only one I can remember right now is Hi Maganda.
Yeah.
Ay, maganda.
How do you say happy birthday? Hi Maganda. How do you say happy birthday again?
Magandang kaarawan.
How do you say birthday?
Maligayang kaarawan.
Oh,
Kaarawan. Kaarawan.
Can we get out of here?
Kaarawan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maligayang kaarawan.
Oh, I see. Not a guy.
Yeah.